Dad, I can't believe I failed my exam one more time, Dad.
Well, let's see.
Dad, it's unfair to me, Dad. It was unfair.
This is why you're crying, my son.
Yes, Dad.
You don't have to cry.
Dad, why?
You know Obama, the president of the United States of America,
Yes, Dad.
he once failed. Not once, not twice, but now he's the president. Your dad, being the best engineer in the United States of America. Son, I once failed. You don't have to cry. You'll be a great man. Your exams to write, you'll be a great man. Come here, come here.
Thank you, Dad.
Come here,
Thank
son.
you, Dad.
Come
I
here,
love you,
son.
Dad. Papa, good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, how are you?
Papa, I feel jam. Oh.
You what?
Papa, I feel jam again.
Let me see. You failed JAM.
Yes, Papa.
This is the 9th time you're failing JAM. How much is the registration?
5,000.
5 what?
5,000.
Remove your hands on your head. How much for sitting allowance?
5,000.
5,000. This is minus the transportation, minus the sitting allowance. 10,000 multiplied by 9 is what?
90,000, Papa.
90 what?
Yes, Papa.
This 90,000, can't I use it to start a petty business?
Yes, Papa.
That will be fetching me money.
Yes, Papa.
You're a foolish boy.
Papa, I'm
I
sorry.
said you're a foolish boy.
Papa, I'm sorry.
My mates and sons are there. Finally, they're almost done with high institution. Almost were done with high institution. They're driving car. Can't I drive my own car?
Papa, I'm sorry.
Can't I drive my own car?
Yes, you can drive.
Come, get up, Baba. Get up.